Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Design. I just want to show you this class kit that I'm offering for free with a $30 purchase. You're going to get all the materials to make these 5 cards. 2 are a fancy fold. Here's one of them. Here's the other one. And there's this one. And this one. And this one. So for you to get this kit, all you have to do is spend $30 in my online store and use the host code that I'll provide. You'll get the PDF with step-by-step instructions on how to make each project. They'll all come individually packaged like this with all your pieces in it for you. So all the cards, so it includes everything. You will need the Waves of Inspiration bundle. Well, a stamp set, or you could use any stamp set. Most of the pieces are all die cut for you, but you will have to stamp the waves and the pelican and the sentiments. So if you have any questions on this class, just let me know. Like I said, all you have to do is click on the link that I'm going to provide, spend your $30 before tax and shipping, and I will be notified, and then I'll know to send you this class kit for free. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.